What's good, y'all? It's been a little while, so let me come in here and shoot a video. I wanted to see if it's still possible to make some money on eBay from Amazon. So this video is drop shipping from Amazon to eBay and or dropping from eBay to Amazon. So we're going to jump into this really quick here and see if we could actually find some products here. So on my screen, I'm not going to waste any time. See, I'm going to do this as if I was doing it for myself. I want you guys to tune in. If you're on this channel watching this video and you didn't subscribe, subscribe to this channel, please. And if you want a shout out, leave a comment below, and I'll respond back to you. I definitely appreciate you guys for coming and spending some time with me here today. Let's jump into it really quick here. So let's see. So Father's Day is coming up. Father's Day. Let's see what we want to do. That's what we're going to do. We're going to go over here so we can find something we could drop ship on eBay. Let's see. Bear with me. This video is unedited, so I'm going to stick with the home and garden, tools and pets. Let's see. Home and garden. Do garden and outdoors. See what we can find. Gas grills. That's good for the summer. You could drop ship those. And I will tell you, a lot of people are afraid of drop shipping because they think that someone's going to send their product back because it came from Amazon and they bought it through eBay. That's incorrect, because I used to have those same fears. Let's do this. Father's Day guide. Let's see what we can find. Let's see if I can find something that sticks out to me. I like this sticking gifts, $100 and under. So let's see. So this is a bestseller here. Let's see what's somewhere. I'm looking for something. My mindset is here pretty much a wife will buy this for a husband. Let's see about this. I like this. Let's see what we have. Cuisinart Petite Gourmet Table Grill. So what I'm going to do is start out with the description. Oh man, come on. Do this, bam, bam. eBay. You might want to do this in incognito mode. How much is it here? $86.98. Let's see if we can find it. So we're going to go over to eBay now. And you've probably seen this method plenty of times. This is the way I do it, It's easy, though. We're going to search. See what we find. Remember what our price was, right? Sold items. We're going to go by sold items. If you follow me here, you see some stuff already here. Someone is making a few dollars here. And we're going to go with free returns. No. I mean, we can go with sold listings. We can do sold listings. Alright, so look at this one. 20% off. This one is sold on the 22nd. This one is sold on the 24th. We're not going to deal with the 24th because why? This one here is $86. Let's see something here. Put the screen up here. Now, just bear with me. I'm doing this thing here off the cuff. So let's see if this guy's making some money. $97.45. Cutting it kind of close here. And we're going to subtract how much it is here. Let's see. $86.98. $86.98. This can be done. Anyone can do this. $10.47. Now, they say eBay. It's going to take. Oh man, what is this? What did I do? $10.47. It's not a lot of profit in this one for me, I will tell you that. I don't even like this one. But this is one you can jump in and sell. And I'm showing you products here right on the spot. So 119. Think he's making some money? Oh, I'm pretty sure. 119. You already know he's making some money. So 119. Let's see, move this calculator over here. 977. I'm going to subtract $86. They say eBay charges 15%. 98. You can go 17% if you like. Make it $32.79. Yeah, that's some good money. So let's try this. Let's even go times 17%. 557. Right now, it's going to be free shipping here. Let's see. It's going to be free shipping here. See that? Free shipping, $86, right? By the time it gets over here to eBay, it's on for $119.77. I apologize, you know, this is your store. This is a pretty new store as far as ratings, but they sold that device. They sold that item. They sold that item. Get a lot of inboxes all the time. Say, hey man, jump in and show us some more cool products that you can sell with the Dropship. This is another one here. You see that? This is the same product. Sold on May the 3rd. A little far out. I like to stick within the last 2 weeks, or the last 30 days, but 2 weeks is what I like to really ideally look for. Which is how you find out what it's sold for here. See that? That's the same exact thing. They have 4 available, they Dropship, and they just change the picture. Just so you know it's the same item. You see that? Same exact item. Same item. See that? So this is what we're going to do. We're going to see how much it's sold for. Click that. $122.46. See that? Quick video. Found the item. Let's see if we can find one more real quick and I'll get out of here on you. This is Father's Day. You know, trying to do some stuff for Father's Day. Hopefully someone loves me enough during Father's Day to give me something cool. Or you can make some money on Father's Day. Alright, so first one we did was a grill. Let's see if we can figure out this. I'm telling you, you can do this. You want to give them a better title, better pictures. I'll show you guys how to list them in another time. Let's see. See that? $99.99, right? Let's go to eBay. Bam. And anyone can do this. Anyone can do this. Remember our price was $99.99. Alright, so we got that pulled up. We're going to go with sold items. Click that, bam. 123. Someone is making some money. See that? That was sold on the 3rd. These are sold out a little further than I like, but products are here. You know? So if you would like a more in-depth view on how to do this, or you'd like to see exactly how to list these and some things like that, just shoot me a comment below. Let me know that, and I'll come back and make a video for that. Alright? So I want to thank you guys for coming out and spending some time with me here today. You didn't get to see me. You didn't get to see me on this one. Oh, I thought you guys were here looking at me here. You know, what we can do here is find these products at all times. You know, something you want to make some money one of these days, especially Father's Day. You got to take advantage of the holidays. Take advantage of the holidays. All right. So look, eBay, Amazon. Oh, there I am. eBay to Amazon, Amazon to eBay. And you can do it. Let's reverse one. Let's do one really quick. Well, I like to do it. I'm gonna save that for the next video. All right. Thank you for coming out, spending some time with me today here. You know, peace out. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Like this video. Share this video, comment on this video. Enjoy your weekend.